Everything you need for a professional setup is right in the box. High-performance fan, smart controller, and our custom drilling template for a perfect fit. Step 1. Place the mounting brackets on the fan and align the screw holes. Step 2. Insert and tighten the screws to lock the brackets in place. Step 1. Tape the template to the wall. Step 2. Cut a long gray line. Step 3. Drill holes at the indicators. Step 1. Insert the fan into the wall opening and align the mounting holes with the expansion bolts. Step 2. Secure the fan by tightening the nuts on all 4 corners. Plug in and enjoy. Ready to use. Automatically activates when temperature exceeds your setting. Powerful suction. Clears smoke in seconds.